Hello children, good morning everybody. So today we are going to do the activity in this Sangam with Golmoha. This is your term 2 book. Subject maths. We are going to do the math subject. We'll start from page number 37. This is page number 37. Subtraction with 0. So children, you have 3 sweets. You eat 0. How many are you left with? Children, if you have 3 sweets, you are eating no sweets. You are not eating any sweets. Then how many will be left over? 3. So, in that way, we are going to do the subtraction using the picture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 apples are there. From 8 apples, you are taking 0. That means you are not taking any apples. How many will be there remaining? 8. So, here you can write 8. Here 9 mangoes are there. You are taking 0 mango. That means you are not taking any mangoes. So, how many left over? 9. So, write in this box number 9. 5 chocolates are there and you are taking 0. That means you are not taking any chocolate. So how many left over? 5. So in this box you can write number 5. Here again 2 butterflies are there. No butterflies are flew away. Okay, so how many butterflies are remaining? 2. So in this box you can write number 2. This is the way you have to do the subtraction with the 0. So children, if you are subtracting number 0 from any number, the answer will be remain the same. We'll go for next page number 38. Children, here you can see the subtraction sums. 1 minus 1, 0. From 1 chocolate. For example, you have 1 chocolate. From 1 you are taking 1. So remaining will be 0. Or you can do in a line, drawing line method. Here 1 chocolate totally. Here 1. 1 you are taking. So remaining 0. Again here 3. So you can draw 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. You are taking 2 out. 2 out. That means remaining leftover is 1. Here again 1, 2, 3, 4. You are taking 1. Take out 1. Remaining 1, 2, 3. So write the number 3. Here again 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You take out how many? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So remaining 0. So in this way you can do the subtraction sums in page number 38. Here are many sums. Children, you can do all the sums using your finger or using the line concept so that you will get the practice of doing subtraction sums. Next, we'll go to the page number 39. Here also same pattern you can do, children. Same subtraction sums. First number is 7. Either you can take out 7 finger or you can draw 7 lines. And how many lines you should take out? 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how many lines left over? Nothing. 0. So you can write here 0. Again here 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many you need to take out? 2. 1, 2. So remaining 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you can write number 6. So in that way you can do the subtraction sums in this page number 39. Next we'll go to page number 40. Here also children you can see the subtraction sums. Here first question is 3 minus 1. For the top number, which number is there in top? 3. So for the 3 you can draw 3 lines. Then bottom number 1. So one line you can cut. Remaining 2. So in the box you can write the number 2. Same way here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many number you have to cut, children? 2. 1, 2. Leftover is 1, 2, 3. Write the number 3. In this way you can complete these sums in page number 40. Next, we'll go to page number 41. Here you can see the concept measurement. Draw an arrow longer than a pencil. Here you can see a pencil. Okay, children. You need to draw an arrow. It should be longer than this pencil. So you can draw using scale, you can draw a long arrow. Second one is draw an arrow shorter than a ruler. This is a ruler, scale. We say scale. This is a ruler. You need to draw a small arrow shorter than this ruler. The arrow should be shorter than this ruler. So you can draw small arrow. Again, draw an arrow of the same length as the pen. Here you can see the pen. So you can draw the arrow same length as the pen. Next, we'll go to page number 42. First question, take the container with more water. Children, you can see here pot, jug and a glass in which we pour more water, this jug. So you can tick off this. Cross the container with less milk, a glass and a small cup in which you can keep less milk cup. So you can cross this. Which two bottles have the same amount of water? So children, here you can see 4 bottles, right? Inside water also is there. 2 water bottles got same quantity of the water. The 2 bottles you need to tick. These two, third and fourth. Tick the heavier object. Heavier means more weight. Here flour and a brick. Which gets more weight? Brick. So you can tick. Tick the lighter object. Leaf and a kettle. So children, which is less weight? Leaf. So you can tick off this. So today you can complete page number 37 to 42 in term 2 book subject maths. Thank you, children.